What are the real life examples that stress the importance of verifying a stock before investing? Industry expert Ms. Amrita will explain this to you with interesting anecdotes from the stock market.
Let me give you an example. When there was COVID situation and we all were working from home, confined to our homes, video conferencing platforms like the one we are using today, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, mushroom, Google Meet, etc., mushroom, flourished. So everybody wanted to buy Zoom video conferencing or Zoom video communication ka share. By the way, there are two types of companies in US which start with the name of Zoom. One is Zoom technology, which has nothing to do with the webinar platform. And one is Zoom video communication, the platform that we are using. Now, people wanted to buy Zoom stocks, but they ended up buying the wrong Zoom stock, which was Zoom technology. And the wrong Zoom stock ended up giving 1,800% returns. The right Zoom stock gave only 132% return. So much so that the SEBI equivalent in United States, which is called the Security Exchange Commission, halted trading. So this is happening not in India, not India is still quite a knowledgeable market. It is not happening in Zimbabwe or Nigeria. It is happening in none other than the United States of America. And people, the ticker symbol of Zoom technology was ZT, the ticker symbol of Zoom video communication is ZM. People bought Zoom technology stocks thinking it is the Zoom webinar platform rather than the actual Zoom.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also, you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free, and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share, and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.